Today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and
self-interest. Barabuye bataketoba mu bwo mugusibo koiro mugusiasa broad-based government. Okora ibatagete kwero sibune gurupu batoire osene serikali mebuna tonyora magenderero obutali bomo unaba na siasa umate 2027 teriale bachakire kwebanga ndkwaro chibaka tabune matrix.
At some point I believe the chief whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government because all of us understand the Kenyan political matrix has changed.
Sie chama yomo gusito so na totebia bana bara ubaje basoe ko rusiko. Gabara osie political party, gabara osie chama. Mbaisa ile ko osie chama, batiga ko toira ko ODM, batiga ko toira ko UDA, jine nyomba chia bande to ko genda twane ko sabere rororo. Again to general chegoro because the absence ye chiga bana chirivere nyalibo na simba rati aso mukutano olia, no send a message yarenga very clear. Onye chigavane chale chabwate mekutano muyabari kurigiri tukoli ngao pikere bara available. Bare ko present ngocha kutuma yale inge message ele very clear uno na andi na babwena to kuwana tadi nonye no nyonga. Na babwena to ku address yabantu because they are leaders from Kisii County na Nyamira County ejere kusi.
Oncho murigiriria bugita seni ya Kisii hot na wakirembia mwana singi nchwe kuendelea gusangamo n'intukira chingaki na kuendelea kumanya sari ya gasa ini watika kurwa chingongo nyechinsi. Njasa mritane ni konkoro kwa njeptu Dennis kusina buwancha undangeri kuntu. Ritukori igoro abarai kurwa ase orogongoro agusi kuri county ya Nyamira ne county ya Kisii bumiranete ase nsemeri ya Nairobi gwasibanya tikobago kwanira igoro ya obomo bwomugusi gochichamo egere konyora magenderero kurwa ase serikali ya broad-based government eyanyara ko bagekorosiwa amono musike mu president wense musike Ruto amona Raila Amolo Odinga amona abarai bande kerabo miranteri tukore igoro. I think mba kwandrete nande bagateba bunda barabo nigo bategete abagusiba bwatane egere banyora magenderero kurwa ase serikali ya William Samuel Ruto. Nigo ntegete gusanga amono mweshimiwa okurukwanere Samuel Okemwa. Samuel Okemwa is one of the baborete for senator 2022 ase chikora chiri cyarete nigo ntegete kugambanere eyemase yemo egere anyara ko bakago tutebya na kiesabari yegere ya abara ya bakomirana because intwarorire kurwa chinga kichama giga angama wikemo yarire mushimigwa Samuel Okemwa kako kwanira igoro ya abomo bomugusi abagusi ko kichamo mbaka bagasokyo gotera wo kurangiria abagusi bakichamo tetu sange yemase yemo amuno mushimigwa Samuel Okemwa egere tumoyenga bomugusi naki bomineti. Mheshimiwa karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Yes. Ritani kigimo nabo kumanya abantu amurieta ainingo arafu tumago chaka sabari ya maseyemo.
Njeni yongoro ku Samuel Okemwa. No wanasiasa pia ni mwanaharakati wa kutetea haki za binadamu.
Yes. Mheshimiwa tegitangani amatukwangairire se chuwikisa toiga twarire ko gukwanira igoro ya abomu bomugusi mbakegera mukagende studio mugasokyo gotera kogoteba igoro ya abomu bomugusi ane inkerengi yagongere kiga asengi kurangiria igoro ya abomu bomugusi magigatutarasoa asensemeri ababunge kombera na ritukuri igoro.
Ya asante sana kurukuntu.
Yes.
Asoko ngali bageli inche obo mugumu gusina bere ngo kwanera no ko basenga kientambe omugusi babwate chisaiga chingao chiabande chi political party ingateba yali kunyarekana omugusi atwale e political party yaye uno omugusi eyeresa iga y'omugusi kero omwana siasa atene nasesa iga iyo buna abagere batene nasesa iga yabo abasigisi abakalenjini batene nasesa iga yabo n'ekikabira kinde na intu yale ko babuya buno omugusi utwale political party inero yale koleta obo mu omugusi ase siasa e political party nere koleta obo mo dali kero abagusi bande bare oseno ODM abande bare UDA abande bare osenja maki wiper ibono ninge gosto sambaratisha buno omugusi teri ko tolentamo nakina yatere tenga tabuna esaiga y'omugusi ne rasma tunyagache yaito bono
litukoli koronto aroche ababunge osaba raia bachore kurwa asorgongo rwagusi bomira litukoli koro ase ensemeria Nairobi bakwanirete igoro ya kubwatana mu buno mugusi na kwenda ase serikali ya broad-based government
ya na tegerete chingwana chiabo kera nakite kuchitegerera nganyora babwate self interest barabuye batagetobo mu bumugusi bwo koiro mugusi ase broad-based government okora ibatagete kwera osibune group batoire osene serikali mebuna tonyora amagenderero obutali bomo unaba na siasa umate 2027 teriale bachakire kwebanga ndwaro chibaka tabune matrix ya change you know siasa ya change na barabuye batagete ko change egia obutali bomo bwomugusi babo mu bwomugusi tigabache ground baro sibuna banga naigana roche bali those were elected leaders baro sie chama y'omugusi toso na totebya abana baro baje basoe ko rusiko baro sie political party baro sie chama mbaisa ine ko sie chama batiga ko toira ko ODM batiga ko toira ko UDA jine nyomba chia bande toko genda tuane ko sabere rororo so maoni yangu mimi si kuona kama ile alibabwa tena babo bwomugusi ande talikire ntokonyengo bodi obo bomo gusite gato twale saiga yaito togo soa
igoro ya obo mu gusi ebyamambire twabere twakorera byo mu gusi unabone kyamankira ororo kya chaka bwango iga kibwate mu governor yomo na aba MC bande ne kyamankire kyarenge gikuru ya mu Kenya chae so rote kero monto uskepe pokoro sie kiama wo se koro sie kiama kira beka bagusiyamo
abara yaba bale bobura ibono iga na wabwede bara sie chama kera bara sie chama baje ground ba popular sie chama ibanya aba na injira bara sie chama babune briefcase yo monto bara sie chama banyere de ground asaba na banya popularize abana inji banje chameyo toroje matendo bwata buna ubanga Kenya libo ngekoro
yekoro kwa UPA
ndo bwata UPA I think ekere mova e briefcase yo muntu ngera arentu asomwa na inchi boronge kio ni gubuya lakini yari konyarekana e jamero siguna barayaba banyerete ground bao nikisera chie chame yaba na inchi banje kero muntu aso enyombe yo buna for the people ya kartege ndekia 2002 no inyorete ekena kega we want to go back again to for the people ya correct
ambyamona singe njogo sangamo neintwe asinge ncho yentkera twakoria nasinge njogo takumanya nga chorus gwachageti istese mu chorus egenderete na anene mono ntara akora risori ndira ryo mweryo we don't know nakibabegete because ebomrenta bari bachorire okay mbarata chose ground batebe baire baigwa maoni abana nji the two meeting igoro the governors they were not there I don't know nakiora kwane because the governors now at the head of the counties na MCAs mbali ngororo and the other leaders baribanya ko bakuweka input yabo kwena na maoni yokorosia the unity of Omugusi.
Again, to Gennaro Chigoro, because the absence here Chigabana Chivere Nyalibona Simbarati Asomokutanoria, not send a team message yelling very clear. Onye Chigavani Charing Jabate Mekutano Yabarigiri to calling now pick Kerebara available. Barako present, what I got to my adding game message very clear. Nand Navabuena to Kuana, that in Onyonga. Now to address Yabanto because they are leaders from Kisii County na Nyamira County ejere kusi. Lakini bone iliyekoro kana uno musana nonoro mbapu atie clear vision. Mbapu atie clear direction. Ekenege ntobaro seti elinde ba yani kenege ntobaro seti elinde ba go ki a president. They are trying to make the president happy una matu watakire bwebanga. And at the end of the day as long as no nyine chitare ngoro it tells you ebi ntombire bombo bware ngari yeah
Muyama sana mheshimiwa Sendi ko sangamo nintu asema mbe ya bono iga.
Asante manani. Thank you so much Asoko ngali.
Thank you very much.
Asante.
Muyama to asangire ya masa yemo amona omheshimiwa Samuel Riose ukemwa Samuel Riose ukemwa nigatinite asensemu yabo senator se county ya Kisii umwaka o 2022 naboni gandrachi gukora nigo ntagetenkwa ensemo ya abarayi bari bomberanite ensemo ya Nairobi asubanyarite ko bagosanga masa yemo tuigwe nga barabwo obo mu Bumugusi bari gukwanira mborobyobo.
Like any other community, all the other communities in Kenya, the community from Gusii is faced with similar challenges that we all know. The challenges of road network, the challenges of health, all those challenges that electricity, I mean, they are not really isolated to only other regions. They also, challenges that we face in Gusii. So we sat today to evaluate our strength in the broad-based government and our projections and expectations for for the next 3 financial years in regard to the development of our people. So largely this meeting was about development and unity of our people and fighting together, putting our synergies together to make sure that we pull the resources towards our people for the benefit of the common mwananchi. I think
I would like to say just a few words in English. We are here as a leadership of the Kisii community. For a few members who are not here, they have given their apologies for not attending, but they are with us. As the leadership of Kisii, we are here with all the members of parliament from all the 14 constituency or sub-counties in Kisii County. And next time we believe that our governors and the women reps, especially Mama Doris Donya, who was not here because she has traveled out of the country, and anybody else who's been elected, we want to start working together as a team. At some point, I believe the chief whip will be informing the public and informing the people of the community what are the strategies and what is the reason why we have come together. Purely, we want to engage the government. We want to make sure that we are given an opportunity to serve our people. If the government listens to us and the government agrees to support our community, we will take note and we will work to make sure that development comes to our areas, and we will actually support the government, because all of us understand the Kenyan political matrix has changed. We now have a government that is broad-based. We are no longer having the issues of opposition and other issues. So that is what I wanted to say, and we are very, very proud and happy about this moment. I think this is the first time that all of us have realized the significance of staying together and working together for our community. Kama viongozi wa maeneo yetu wakilishi, kama viongozi wa Kisii, tumekuja, tumejumuika sisi wote, vyama vyote, na tumesema tungependa kukaa pamoja, tuanze kuzungumzia mambo ya maeneo yetu, haswa majimbo yetu ya Nyamira na Kisii. Na baada ya kukutana leo, kuna wale viongozi ambao watapewa jukumu la kutuweka pamoja, tuendelee kuzungumza na kukubaliana vile tutazungumzia wananchi wetu, ili tuhakikishe wakati huu wacha maendeleo ikuje. Kama serikali ina miradi inataka kuhakikisha imefanyika, wacha tuende tuhakikishe hiyo miradi imefanyika, ili jamii ya Mkisii nayo isiwachwe nyuma. Tena tungependa kusema kuwa tunajua kuna nafasi yanapatikana ambako serikali imeanza kuandika watu na kupata nafasi kwa jamii zote za Kenya. Tungependa Mkisii ajumlishwe hapo ndani, ili pia watu wetu wawe na ufasaha na kukubaliana kuwa na wao ni Wakenya ambao wanatoka kwa eneo la Kisii, kaunti na Nyamira. Shukrani. Hatuwezi kulizungumzia sasa, tutakaa kama viongozi tutalizungumzia, alafu tutatoa ujumbe rasmi. We will answer and respond to those issues very soon once we have all the data and the information.
Mbia mwana singa nchwa kuendelea kusanga amone kitaseni ya Kisii Hot TV ncheni kwa nkuru kwa nyapto Dennis kusina buwancha onda ngeri kuntu wekirabono iga nonko butorera iga butomirane na ande asebiro binde. Bye bye.